morning, everyone. Sit down. So, my dear student, today we'll take our class. So, today's topic is on circle. Okay. So, we'll take the mathematics on circle theorem, chapter 8. So, what is the theorem here? You can see the next slide. So, now this is an angle produced here. What is the angle here? You can see that this angle. We can see that which is the marked angle, right? And this is the angle, central angle of the circle. This angle is central angle. You can see that this is the center of the circle and produce an angle, and this is called central angle of the circle. You can see the another picture here. So you can see that this is the called chord of the circle, right? And this is another chord, and these two chords intersect at point and produce an angle. You can see that intersect at point, this point intersect and produce this angle. And what is the marked angle? Can you see the what is the marked angle here? You can see that this marked angle is called inscribed angle. Okay.
The next page, so you can see that here, this is a certain picture. We can see these two words intersect at point, and here, what is shown in this picture? So angles at center and incident angle, circles subtract by the same arc. You can see that here, this is the arc. You can see that this is the central angle and this is the incident angle. So this is shown in the picture, okay? So now I'm asking your question. So can you tell me which is an inscribed angle in a circle? So can anyone hold the page stand up? Can you tell me in this picture which is the inscribed angle in the circle?
So in the shown figure, ACB is the inscribed angle in the circle.
Okay, Munda told us that ACB is the inscribed angle. Now let's see the answer. ACB is the inscribed angle. Let's take it. Okay. So the next question for you. Next question. Okay. I'm just asking for you. Stand up. For you, can you tell me in this picture what is the central angle?
So here angle A will be the same.
A will be the central angle. Thank you. Here A will be the central angle. Already you can see the answer. So now we have to prove this thing. So now you can see this picture. Okay. The picture drawn in light of the information central angle is angle double. So now the next picture. Okay. Next thing we can see that here this is circle. We just see that one by one this chord and produce the central angle. And now the proportion here. So next proposition. So what is the proportion here? So in this theorem, we have to prove that you can see that this BOC, this is the central angle. This angle is produced at center, and this BAC, two chords, AB and AC, produce an angle BAC, and this is the inscribed angle. Now at the same arc, you have to prove that BOC is equal to double of inscribed angle. Now we'll prove that, okay? So now listen. So now we have to draw first action. Now we have to see that this is the equation 1. So BOD plus COD. If you add it, let's say BOD plus COD and right hand side and O into OB, O into OC. So if you add this, so now you can see that in this picture, BOD plus COD, okay? BOD plus COD. Now in this picture, you have to look at the picture and its place BOD. That means this angle, and COD means this angle. If you add this angle, it will be BOC, whole angle. Now I can write BOC. And also you can see that OAB, OSC. If you add OAB means this angle, OAC means this angle. If you add these two angles, it will be whole angle and it represents BAC. Okay, now you can see that what we proved that BOC is equal to O into BAC. And what is the angle BOC? This is called central angle. And what is the BAC? And this is the inscribed angle. That is central angle. So the double of inscribed angle at the same height. We have done our proof, okay? So I'm just giving you some clear one. So this is tough for you, right? You can copy this, yes, right? So here in this picture you can see that at the same arc, and this is the inscribed angle, and this is the measure of the central angle. So this is inscribed, this is the central angle, and you have to find below x. So you know that central angle is the double of the inscribed angle. Using this claim, you can find these questions answer. So now you can see the picture, okay? Here in this picture already we have discussed. Today we discuss central angle, inscribed angle, and relationship between central and inscribed angle. Okay, so now the question that you can see that this picture, what is the name of angle BAC? So now here you can see that this is the BAC. I'm just giving you four options. Central is it will be central angle or inscribed or reflex or straight angle. Okay, Now I'm asking you watch. Stand up, face watch. So can you tell me which one of the answer is questions answer BSc?
So in this figure, angle BS is the inscribed angle of the
BSc is the
figure.
inscribed angle. Okay, now we can see the answer. Yes, thank you much. You're right. This BSc is the inscribed angle. Okay. So now the next question here, you can see that what is the name of BOC? Now here in this picture, you can see that this is BOC is first the angle. Okay. I'm just giving you four options. So now, find your place. Straight up. Find your. Can you tell me what is the angle of BOC?
So here angle BOC is the central line.
BOC is the central angle. Okay, thank you. Find them. Sit down. Okay. So you can understand the answer. The next question here, this is the difficult text for you. I already described it came. Okay. So who can give the answer? I'm just asking you the question. Which of the following is the sum of BAO and ABO? Now you can see that BAO is this angle and ABO means this angle. And sum of this angle, what angle? Here option A, option B, option C, and option D. Now, Muna, please straight up. Can you tell me? So, what is the answer?
Summation of BAO and ABO would be BOD. The angle BO.
Angle?
Option A, angle BOD.
Option A, angle B. Thank you so much. Sit down. Okay, now you understand, I hope, okay? I'm just already finished my task. Today's task is the central instrumental double. At the same mark, this is the homework for you, okay? So now, this is the task. So now here, please enter copy. Prove from the figure that BAC is equal to 90 degree. Right-handed copy, please have your hand on right-handed copy. BAC is equal to 90 degree. You have to prove these all. And the next class, I'll check every score. Today, we'll learn central angle, instrumental double at the same mark, right? So this is our task today. This already we discussed central angle instrumental double. I hope you understand. And I gave you some homework. This estimate you have to give at the home, okay? And thank you everyone for this class, okay?
Thank you.